Hey everybody, if you have a passion for making delicious cocktails at home, you're going to need a good home bartending kit, and that's exactly what I found here with Mix It, Shake It. This is a premium 10-piece home bartender kit that's going to make you feel like the real deal. So let's get into it. So Mix It, Shake It has a vision, and that vision is to elevate the cocktail experience by providing top-notch bar tools, enabling you to craft and share delightful drinks. Their idea is to raise the bar at home and establish your very own cocktail oasis, as they describe, with the ultimate home bar setup. And that's what you're seeing here. So out of the box, you're going to get several items here, and we're going to go through them. You're going to get a bamboo stand, a rust-proof 24-ounce cocktail shaker that's made of premium stainless steel grade, a Japanese jigger that's two-sided, a mojito muddler, a mixing spoon, a Hawthorne strainer, a double-level corkscrew, 2 liquor pourers, and ice tongs. So you're really going to have everything that you need to make the perfect drink. Things that you would see when going to a nice bar. This is made of top quality, of the highest quality stainless steel. It is rust-proof and dishwasher safe. And going through each item, that bamboo stand is crafted from strong and sustainable bamboo and is a practical solution for keeping the tools organized and easily accessible. I love how it keeps it all together. The cocktail shaker really stands out because of that stainless steel. The Japanese jigger is designed with a thinner diameter and more height, makes it for the perfect bartender measuring cup. And that mojito muddler is a good way to incorporate fresh fruits and herbs into your drinks. Mixing spoon, obviously you're going to need that when assembling the cocktail itself. The Hawthorne strainer, placed over the mouth of the shaker in which the beverage is prepared. Small holes in the device allow only liquids to pass through the beverage when poured. And that double-level corkscrew is going to be handy for sure. It's also sleek and durable. And I mentioned the ice tongs and liquor pourers. So you really have everything that you need to create your own home party or treat yourself or your significant other. There are so many reasons to use this, and you can just tell from the material that this is high quality and going to last a long time. In conclusion, I absolutely love this home bartending set from Mix It, Shake It. I love the design. It is sleek, it is modern, it's going to fit in so well in most kitchens and home bar areas, and it's going to put thousands of cocktail creations at your fingertips. 2 thumbs up. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.